Hello everyone, welcome to The Greatest. I'm Cherrie and this channel is about success-driven tools and strategies for new bloggers to achieve clarity and focus. Today, I will teach you how to start a blog about time management and productivity. Links to all the blogging tools I will use today will be in the description. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to buy a domain name. And for this, I am using Namecheap.com. So when you go to the website, again, that's Namecheap.com. Go to domains, click domain name search. Okay, scroll down and then type the domain name that you want to purchase here in the search bar. In my case, I bought the domain name thecleversolopreneur.com and then click search. Okay, it's gonna show up that the domain name is already taken because I purchased this yesterday and I got it for $6.88 for 12 months. However, if you can see below, there are other options for this domain name, but I purchased the one that has a .com at the end. So when you purchase a domain name from Namecheap, at first it will tell you if it's available or not. And then just click add to cart. And then you'll be redirected to another page which will ask for your information like your first name, last name, your email address, and what mode of payment you will use. On my case, I use PayPal for most of my online transactions. But for Namecheap, you can use your credit card, debit card, and PayPal. So those are your choices. So after buying the domain name, step 2 is to get your WordPress web hosting. For this, I'm using Interserver.net. And as you can see, if you use my coupon code at the top, you will get your first month for just a penny. But right now, they have a better deal, which is to get web hosting for just $1 for 3 months. So if you're interested in this promotion, you can just click the button that says buy now. But on my case, since I already have an account with them, I'm no longer eligible for these promotions. So I will be paying the regular price of $5 per month for standard web hosting. And that is also what will happen to your account in case the promotion expires. So that again, that's $1 for 3 months. And then moving forward, your web hosting for WordPress is going to be $5 per month. Okay, so after buying the domain name and WordPress hosting, step 3 is to connect the two. Now, some people are asking me, why do you need two different companies to provide you with these services? You know, it's easy to just use one. Like, for example, you can have Namecheap for both your domain name and web hosting services. But on my case, I have spoken to an SEO specialist before, and according to him, it is better if you have these two in separate companies, so that just in case your website gets hacked, God forbid, not everything is gonna be affected. You can still recover it. That's what he told me. So I've been doing it ever since. So like I said, we need to connect the domain name and the web hosting. For this, I need to go back to Namecheap. Okay, so when you sign in on your dashboard, this is where you will find all your domain names. So in my case, I'm gonna look for this one, the one I purchased yesterday or 2 days ago, thecleversolopreneur.com, and click manage. Meanwhile, I'm also logged into interserver.net. And on my dashboard or homepage, it shows all the websites I own right now. And then I click the cleversolopreneur.com. What we need from interserver.net is, or are these two, the default DNS server. So I need to copy and paste both of these and then go back to Namecheap, scroll down, go to name servers and click custom DNS and paste it here. And then you will see a check mark right here. Just click it to save, and then that's it. You will see a pop-up here on Namecheap that says the process will take 24 to 48 hours for the domain name and hosting to be connected. But in my experience, it doesn't take that long. Usually it only takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so right now, since we were able to set it up, let me log out of my Namecheap account and then go back to Interserver because we are now on step 4, and that is to install WordPress. Okay, so going back to interserver.net, which is our web hosting service, scroll down, click log into CPanel. Now that we are inside the CPanel, let us scroll down and look for Softaculous Apps Installer. Okay, so after you click the Softaculous Apps Installer, you click WordPress. Okay, so after clicking the WordPress icon, this is what will show up on your screen. So just scroll down and click Install Now. Before we proceed with the installation, we need to remove the WP at the end so that it will just be the cleversolopreneur.com, not the cleversolopreneur.com/WP. So, and then I just need to change the site name and the site description. Okay. Let me just keep this password for now. I'll just change it later. Scroll down and then click install. Alright, so now we already have a message that says, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So to check, let me just click this. Alright, okay. Alright, so now that we're done, the next step is to design our WordPress blog. So let me go to our dashboard. Then meanwhile, let me close this and log out from Interserver. Alright, so welcome to the WordPress dashboard. So we're now on step 5, and that is to install our WordPress theme. So for this, just go to Appearance and then Themes. So by default, the theme that we have right now is 2020 by WordPress, And then there are others here like 2019 and 2017. But I want to try a different theme for this blog. So let me click Add New. And then on the search bar, I'll type Brittany or Brittany. Alright, so this is what I want. I'll just click Install and Activate. There you go. Okay, so this is going to be our theme for this blog. Since I'm not going to use the others anymore, let me just do a quick sweep and click and delete the others. One more. Awesome. All right. So now that our theme is good to go, let me go to plugins and then add new. So these are the plugins that I want added for my blog. First, I need the Google Sitekit plugin. This is for the Search Console and Analytics. If you want to know more about the Google Sitekit plugin, you can check out our website. That's thegreatestdigitalcreatives.com. I have a post there about Google Sitekit and what is it for. But meanwhile, there it is. Let's install now. And then we'll just activate later. The next plugin I will install is Insert Headers and Footers. There you go. Install now. Next is the WPS Hide login. By default, the WordPress login page is very easy to hack because you just need to add WP-admin at the end of your URL, and that's it. So to avoid hackers from trying to log in to your website, we need to find a way to remove the WP admin and instead customize it based according to what we want or something that's not easy to guess. So for this, we need to use the WPS hide login, and that is what we are installing now. Next, after the WPS hide login, we need a tool for SEO. So for this, I'm using Rank Math. There you go. Of course, we need a page builder. And for this, I will be using Elementor. Now, to have the capacity to back up your website every time you do website maintenance or you recently updated a page or a post, I use the Updraft Plus plugin for my backup. There it is. And then aside from the backup plugin, we also need to compress images and clean unnecessary pages or drafts. So we also need to install the WP Organize, Clean, Compress, and Cache. Next is Easy Table of Contents. I love this plugin because if you are writing blog posts, which is about 1,000 words and up, you need a table of contents for easy navigation. And for this, I'm using the Easy Table of Contents. And last but not least, we need a plugin for our social media icons or for social media follows. And for this, I am using the Social Warfare plugin. Okay, so now that we were able to install essential plugins for our blog, let us do a quick cleanup and delete those that we're not going to use and activate the rest. So like this one, I'll delete this. Okay, and then the Hello Dolly plugin. Oh wait, hold on, I missed one plugin. Let me go back to add new. Since we removed Akismet, we need a plugin which will help us remove spam or mark spam comments so it can be easily deleted. And for that, I'm using the anti-spam B plugin. There you go. Okay. All right, we're all set. Let me go back to installed plugins. All right, and then start activating them. Okay. Okay, we're not going to do this now. So let me go back to plugins, installed plugins, then activate. Okay, we will skip this for now. Okay, let's go back to dashboard. All right, go back to plugins, installed plugins. Scroll down, activate SiteKit. All right. Some of these plugins needs to be configured. So, but we're not gonna do that today because we just need everything to be set up. Just the very basic. Okay, and we're done. Awesome. All right. So our next step is to customize our theme. Meanwhile, I need to upload sample blog posts so we will be able to see how it looks. So I'll go to posts, add new. All right. So say for example, I'm going to upload this, and then set a featured image for this blog post. I'm uploading an image from my desktop. I'm using an image, a free stock photo from Canva. There you go. Let's put the alt text. Now we have a featured image. Just click publish. Alright. And then click the WordPress icon because we're going to add 2 more. There you go. Okay. Oh, and we're going to delete this one too. There. Add new. Then set featured image. Once again, I'm going to upload a photo from my desktop. Okay. There you go. Then again, add the alt text. Alright, hit publish. Alright, and then one more. Uploading our last image. For our third blog post, sample blog post. Alright. Adding the alt text. Okay. Publish. And we're all set. Alright. Alright, so our next step is to customize our WordPress theme. But before that, I noticed that we don't have categories yet for our blog posts. and I want this to be part of the main menu. So for this, I need to go to Appearance. Sample blog posts are ready. I need to add categories because I want them to show up on my main menu. So for this, let me go to Categories. There. And then I will add 3. There's Time Management, okay, Productivity, and Planning. Alright, now let me go back to my posts, and assuming that each of them belong to the categories we made earlier. So let me go to this one, click Quick Edit, and then instead of uncategorized, let's make it under the Planning category. Update, there you go. Next, this one, let's change it to Productivity Update. And then the last one is under Time Management Update. All right, what else? Let me go back to our pages because, of course, aside from the blog posts, I want other pages on my website. For now, I want to settle with a Work With Me page. So I have, let me click Add New. And then click Work With Me. So if there are prospect clients who want to, hire me, or there are brands who want to have a sponsored post with me, then this is where they can, contact me. Like, this is where they can message me or reach me via Skype or Facebook. And then I also need to create pages for my legal pages. So first I need a page for my disclaimer. All right. Next, I need a page for my terms and conditions. Last is privacy policy. These 3 pages are very important because as a new blogger, this will protect you and your business from content theft and other lawsuits. And for these legal pages, I recommend Amira from aselfguru.com. She sells legal templates for startups, for solopreneurs, and for bloggers like us. If you want to get a copy of these templates, I will also have the link in the description. But I'm removing the sample page. And that's it. I think we're good. Oh, this one too. Let me remove the... Alright. Let me just check to make sure. Okay. Okay. Alright. All good. Alright. So, and another step before we proceed to customizing our WordPress theme, I need to customize the main menu. So for this, let me go to Appearance and then Menus. Alright. And then we're going to create a new one. So I'll just put main menu, then create. Awesome. So the main menu is going to show on at the top. So I don't want my legal templates there. Instead, I want it at the bottom. So for this, for our main menu, I will remove our disclaimer, privacy policy, and terms and conditions. Instead, I will have the home page or the page where recent posts will be published. And then I will add my blog post categories. So just clicking all of them and then add the menu. All right. I'll just put the work with me right there. And then display location, main menu. And click save. All right. I think we're ready. Okay. All right. So let me go to visit site. There you go. All right. So this is how our website looks. Pretty. All right. And then click customize. All right. Under the Brittany Light theme, here are the things that we can edit. So let's start with the header options. It only says to allow or not allow social icons. So I want it showing on top, so I'll just leave it as it is. Next, menu, I'm good. This is okay. Site identity. I don't want my logo added here on top. I just want this one. It looks much better. Okay. Layout options. Let me change it to previous next links instead of the numbered method. All right. Widgets. Okay. For the blog post, the main sidebar, I'm gonna put an about me. So let's just put welcome to Clever. Select an image. I will be uploading from my computer. Use this file. Cute. Okay. So then I'll put time management tips. I'm at it. Oh, sorry. Time management and productivity tips for bloggers and solopreneurs. There you go. And then done. What else? I want to add social icons. And then I also want to add popular posts. There. Okay, done. Alright, looks good. Okay. And then let's go to pre-footer Instagram. I don't like this, so I'll remove all of them. Remove. Okay, but for the footer, I will add an about me. Add a logo. There you go. There. Next, for column 2, alright. Then column 3, I want to add oh, it doesn't look good. Okay, let's remove that and try another widget instead. Let's do categories. There. Much better. And then for column 4, how about our pages? Alright, so as you can see, our legal pages are now visible here at the bottom. Okay, so I think everything looks good. Alright. Social networks. Okay, so I've already created a Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest account for this blog. So let me just put the links here. There you go. As you can see, they're now showing up at the top there. All right, awesome. Okay. Homepage settings is set under displays our latest posts. But just in case in the future we want this blog to have or to offer products and services, of course we need a homepage. So if you have a blog right now and you don't want your most recent posts showing up at the homepage, you change it from latest to a static page. And then you will see at the bottom, it will ask you which page will be your homepage, and then which is going to be the one for your posts. But in my case, for this blog, since I don't have anything to put on other pages yet, I'd rather have my latest post showing at the homepage. Okay, there you go. And that's about it. So far, I'm satisfied with how it turned out, but I need to hit publish, and then I need to fix the menu one more time. I don't want the home page showing at the top, because by default you just click the blog name right here, and then it goes to the home page. So since we don't have other pages yet aside from these, I want to remove the word home at the top. So let me go back to our dashboard, appearance, menus, then I'll remove this. Remove. Alright, and then save. Alright, let's check again. There you go. Alright. Awesome. Okay, so one more thing before we end this tutorial, I want to show you how to connect your blog to your Pinterest account. So let me go back to my dashboard and open another tab so I can log into Pinterest. So in order for you to maximize your Pinterest profile, I suggest that you switch from personal to a business account. This way you will be able to check your analytics, how your pins are doing, and also to see if you're getting traffic or not from Pinterest. So I already have Pinterest set up. Let me just update the logo here, because let me go to settings, because I changed the logo yesterday because it doesn't look good with the overall theme of the website. So let me change this and choose a different photo from my desktop. Okay, let's see how it looks. All right, there you go. Okay. All right, so like I said, we're going to connect our Pinterest account to our WordPress blog. To do this, you need to go to settings, and then click claim, and then we'll put our website here. All right, and then click claim. Now Pinterest is giving you two options. In our case, we will just pick the first one, add HTML tag. So copy this code, this HTML file, and then paste it on WordPress. This is where our plugin insert footers and headers would come in. So let me copy this, go back to WordPress. Under settings, click insert headers and footers. Scroll down and then paste the HTML code here. Then scroll down and click save. Alright, go back to Pinterest, click next, and then submit. It says here that we're checking your site and will email you in the next 24 hours. But based from my experience, it doesn't take that long. Now, aside from your website, you can also claim your Instagram account and Etsy. So just to show you how to claim Instagram, click claim. Alright, so I need to log out from this account first. And there you go. Instagram is already connected. Alright, so we are all set. Let us have a quick look of our new blog, The Clever Solopreneur. Again, this is a blog about time management and productivity for bloggers and solopreneurs. Everything looks good. Alright. There are still a few things that we need to tweak, but for now, for me, everything looks great. Alright, so like I said a while ago, links to everything, all the tools I have used to create this blog will be in the description. And if you want to know more about how to set up a WordPress website, do not forget to go to thegreatestdigitalcreatives.com. And that's about it. Take care, and I'll see you next time.